Welcome students, myself Niladri Shekhar Park. Today we will discuss different types of errors in numerical methods. Basically we have three types of errors. One is absolute error, second one is relative error, and third one is percentage error. All the errors are evaluated using the true value and approximate value. For example, suppose as we know the value of pi is 22/7. Okay, so what is the value of pi? The value of pi is 22/7, but we always took the value of pi as 3.14 in our different problems. Okay, so the true value of the pi is 22/7, but the approximate value what we take, that is 3.14. If we calculate 22/7, we will get 3.13 or something. Okay, so from that we will take 3.14. So this is the approximate value of pi. Okay, so as I said, there are basically three types of error. One is absolute error, second one is relative error, and third one is percentage error. Okay, so as we say, there are two types of values. One is true value and second one is approximate value. We denote true value as Vt and approximate value as Va. Okay, so now we will find the formulas of absolute error. The formula of absolute error, we have denoted it as Ea. So the formula of absolute error is true value minus approximate value. True value minus approximate value, that is V of t minus V of a. So this is true value minus approximate value. Okay, next we will get what is relative error. Okay, so relative error, we will denote this formula by E of R. Okay, so the formula is Vt minus Va by Vt. So what does mean? True value minus approximate value by true value. Okay, so another we can say absolute error divided by true value. Next come percentage error. Percentage error basically Vt minus Va by Vt into 100. Okay, so as we can say, relative error into 100, or we can say absolute error by true value into 100. Okay, so these are all three formulas. Okay, these are very important for your semester examination. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will do different sums. Okay, so for that, thank you students. Be safe, be well.